Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Many of us enjoy Italian cuisine and today's dish is for all the pasta lovers because we are going to make this absolutely delicious Italian Fettuccini Alfredo. It's very simple to make with just a few basic ingredients. Let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe I've taken roughly about 300 grams of fettuccine variety of pasta. This is quite easily available in supermarkets nowadays. To a pot, add enough water, and once it comes to a nice rolling boil, I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now gently drop in the pasta. This is a very tasty and simple pasta dish that you can make at home. Just using these tongs, I'm just going to gently loosen the pasta. Just make sure you don't overcook the pasta. We're just going to cook this to just about 90%. So I've cooked the pasta till it's about 90% done. So I'm just going to check now. This is perfect. Turn off the stove, just strain the pasta and keep it aside. You don't want to throw away the cooked pasta water because we will be using it later. Just keep this aside. Now it's time to make this delicious Fettuccini Alfredo. Take a nice wide pan, it will be easy to mix. So I've taken 1 stick of unsalted butter. This is roughly about 50 grams. But you can use a little more if you need, depending on the quantity of pasta that you've taken. Once the butter melts, add about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh garlic. This is roughly about 10 large cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped. Saute the garlic for just about a minute. You don't want to burn it and you don't want to brown it either. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh cream. Now this is going to make the dish very rich and creamy. Keep the flame on low. Pour in the cream and just give it a nice gentle mix. Make sure to maintain the flame on low throughout. This is a very simple and tasty restaurant style Fettuccini Alfredo that we're seeing today. Of course, cheese is very important for this particular dish and I've taken about 100 grams of grated Parmesan here. Parmesan cheese is quite easily available in supermarkets these days. So you can be generous with the Parmesan, taking 2 handfuls. So as you can see, the sauce is quite thick. So I'm just going to dilute this a little bit and make it a little more creamier by adding the cooked pasta water. You can just increase the flame to a medium. So the pasta tends to absorb all that nice thick sauce and it can become a bit thick or dry. So you can use the pasta water to loosen it a little bit and to get that nice saucy consistency. Just add a pinch of salt. Next, season it with some nice fresh crushed pepper. That beautiful rich and creamy Alfredo sauce is ready. So now it's time to gently drop in the cooked fettuccine pasta. Just mix that in with the sauce. Make sure the pasta is completely coated with that beautiful sauce. Finish off by adding a generous amount of grated Parmesan and just a little freshly chopped parsley. So there you have it, this delicious and tasty restaurant style Fettuccini Alfredo. You can see how simple it is to make. Make sure you have the right ingredients to get this perfectly tasty. I personally love Italian cuisine and I always enjoy it, and today I was very happy and excited to share this recipe with you guys. Here's the moment of truth. Time to taste. Fantastic. I mean, the flavors are just spot on. It's so beautifully coated, the pasta, with that nice beautiful garlic and the Parmesan cheese and the cream. Wow, the flavors are just incredible. I thoroughly enjoyed the pasta. It was absolutely delicious. I hope you guys try this Fettuccine Alfredo and enjoy it as much as I did. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.